Independence in the year 1947. Today we are in 2026. It's almost 80 years. So most of the politicians, BJP, Congress, many came over and ruled the country. And but even today we are talking about freebies. All political parties, they are talking about freebies. I will give you 2,000 rupees. You survive with that. I will give you a few kilos of sugar. I will give you rice. When India become a developed country, this is not economic development. Even after 80 years, if you are talking about giving freebies to the people in India, it means we made them poor. It's not economic development. So when India will become an economically developed country.
What about freebies to Mr. Adani? No, you want to discuss? Let's discuss. Right? What about freebies to Mr. Adani? What about freebies to Mr. Ambani? What about all the huge amount of land that is given to them? Why don't we discuss that? If we are ready to stop those freebies, we'll stop these freebies. So please realize that the freebies that you're talking about are a reaction, right? People are saying, listen, 16 lakh crore rupees have been forgiven for Mr. Ambani and Adani, right? Now, it's interesting that you raise it. You see the freebie when a poor person is requesting it. And that poor person needs the freebie. But you don't see the freebie. You don't see the freebie when Mr. Adani gets it. Like your question wasn't, when are we going to stop the freebies to Mr. Adani and Mr. Ambani? Right? So when you're looking at a political system, you got to look, I love all Indians. That's my starting point. I even love the people who hate me. Okay? So for me, what I am looking for is a win-win. Now, if we're going to have a conversation about freebies, then let's not have a conversation about only one side of the equation. Right? And let's not try and paint it as if there's only one side of the equation that's getting the freebies. Because that's not true. The amount of freebies that Mr. Adani and Mr. Ambani and 5-7 of our big businesses get is order of magnitude. Order of magnitude. Not 10 times, not 50 times, not 100 times, thousands of times what our poor people get. That's a fact. And nobody can get away from it. Right? So, I'm more than happy to remove all freebies from poor people. But then you got to remove all freebies from the likes of Mr. Adani and Mr. Ambani. Thank you for your question.
Thank you for the
question.